On to question 4 of the additional maths paper 2022. Okay, so this question we have some indices. So let's just go back through the basic rules of indices. We times the coefficients, and where the indices, as long as they've got the same variables, we can then add them. So we've got 2 times 3, which gives us 6x, and we're doing 3 to the 8 plus 1 to the, well, 1/4. So simplifying that out, your final answer should be 6x, that's 5/8. There we go, first one done. Second question, so in the brackets we're multiplying, so we can add those straight away. So that's the first thing I would do. So I'm just going to draw that in. 5/4 plus 4/5 plus 1/5 is 1. So it makes a whole, and then that's 3. And we know then the rule is to multiply. So our final answer there should be x to the power 3. Going quick. Last one, well, they are marked questions. This is an add. So we know with add, we don't have any indices rules with it, but we can multiply in. So let's multiply the first bit. So remember, when we're multiplying, we're adding the fraction. So minus a 8th plus an 8th, but they cancel out. So it's just going to leave us with 5x to the power of 0. And then the next part, multiplying again. So we're going to have plus 7. And then that's going to be 5/8 take away an 8th. Well, that's going to leave us with 4/8. Let's simplify that. So it's going to be 1 times 5 plus 7. Oh, don't know what happened there with my pen. X to the half. And we can simplify that 1 times 5 to just 5. So let's write that in. There we go. Okay, let's check the mark scheme. So the first question, 6 with 5/8, great. Second question, 6 to the power of 3, great. And then the last one, 5 plus 7 to the half, or they did do the square root because half is the square root sign. So as long as you've got any of them and you've done, well done, you've done the next one.